Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Say goodbye to broken door handles. DIY interior car handle replacement made easy. Replacing an interior car door handle might seem like a daunting task, but it's surprisingly straightforward with the right guidance. Have you ever found yourself struggling with a broken or malfunctioning door handle? This common issue not only affects your car's functionality but can also be quite annoying. In this video, you'll discover step-by-step instructions to replace your car's interior door handle, saving both time and money. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete novice, we've got you covered. Let's get started and get that door working perfectly again. Signs that indicate a need for interior car door handle replacement. Frequent use. Wear and tear. Wear and tear from frequent use. Car door handles are one of the most used components in a vehicle, enduring daily wear and tear from constant opening and closing. Over time, this repeated action can cause the handle mechanism to weaken, leading to difficulties in operating the door. If you notice that the handle feels loose, sticks, or requires extra force to open the door, it could be a sign that the handle is wearing out and may need replacement. Ignoring these early signs could result in complete failure of the handle, leaving you locked out of your own car. Physical damage. Effects of physical damage. In addition to wear and tear, physical damage to a car door handle can also necessitate replacement. Accidents or impacts can cause cracks, chips, or even complete breakage of the handle, compromising its functionality and aesthetics. A damaged handle not only looks unsightly but can also pose safety risks if it fails to function properly in emergency situations. It's essential to address any visible damage promptly to ensure the continued usability and security of your vehicle. Regularly inspecting the condition of your car door handles can help you catch and address any damage early on before it escalates into a more significant issue. Choosing the right replacement handle. When it comes to replacing your car's interior door handle, selecting the correct replacement is crucial to ensure a hassle-free installation and optimal performance. Here's a guide to help you choose the right replacement handle for your vehicle. Compatibility with vehicle make and model. To begin, it's essential to verify the compatibility of the replacement handle with your specific car make and model. Different vehicles have varying door handle designs and configurations, so ensuring that the replacement handle matches your car's requirements is paramount. One way to determine compatibility is by checking the part number of the existing handle or consulting your vehicle's manual for specifications. Alternatively, you can reach out to the manufacturer or a trusted automotive parts retailer for assistance in identifying the correct replacement handle for your car. Material and quality considerations. When selecting a replacement handle, pay close attention to the materials used in its construction. Opt for handles made from high-quality, durable materials such as metal or reinforced plastic to ensure longevity and durability. Choosing a handle that can withstand frequent use and varying weather conditions is essential for ensuring it remains functional over an extended period. Investing in a sturdy replacement handle will not only provide peace of mind but also contribute to the overall aesthetics and functionality of your car's interior. By prioritizing compatibility with your vehicle's make and model, as well as considering the material and quality of the replacement handle, you can confidently select the right option for your car's interior door. Remember, a well-suited replacement handle can enhance the convenience and appearance of your vehicle while ensuring lasting performance. Tools required for door handle replacement. When it comes to replacing your interior car door handle, having the right tools can make the task much smoother and efficient. Let's explore the essential tools you'll need for a successful door handle replacement and some optional but helpful tools that can simplify the process even further. Common tools. 1. Screwdrivers. A set of screwdrivers with various heads will be your best friend during a door handle replacement. Make sure to have both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers to tackle different types of screws. 2. Trim removal tools. These handy tools are perfect for popping out those stubborn trim pieces without causing any damage. They come in various shapes and sizes to fit different areas of your car's interior. 3. Pliers. A reliable set of pliers will help you grip and maneuver small components with ease. Whether you're pulling out clips or adjusting parts, having pliers in your toolkit is essential. Optional but helpful tools. 1. Panel removal tool. While not essential, a panel removal tool can save you time and effort when removing panels to access the door handle assembly. Its slim design allows you to pry off panels without leaving behind scratches or dents. 2. Torque screwdriver set. If your car has Torque screws securing the door handle, having a Torque screwdriver set on hand can prevent any frustration. These specialized screwdrivers are designed to fit Torque screws perfectly, ensuring a secure grip during removal. 3. Trim clip removal tool. To avoid damaging trim clips or fasteners when removing them, a trim clip removal tool can be a game changer. It allows you to safely detach clips without causing any harm to the surrounding areas. By having these common and optional tools ready for your door handle replacement project, you'll be equipped to handle any challenges that come your way. Don't hesitate to invest in quality tools to make the process faster and more efficient. Step-by-step guide to interior car door handle replacement. After encountering issues with your interior car door handle, replacing it yourself can be a feasible and rewarding task. Follow these detailed steps to successfully navigate the process without any setbacks. Preparing the door panel. To begin the replacement process, you'll first need to prepare the door panel for work. Start by carefully removing any screws or fasteners holding the panel in place. Utilize a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to pry off the panel gently, ensuring you don't force or bend it to prevent any damage. Take your time to locate and detach all connections, such as electrical wiring for power windows or locks, to free the panel completely. Removing the old handle. Once the door panel is off, focus on removing the faulty handle. Look for the mounting screws securing the handle to the door frame and unscrew them using the appropriate tool. Keep track of each screw and any accompanying parts to facilitate an easy reassembly process later on. With the screws removed, extract the old handle carefully, ensuring you don't damage the surrounding components in the process. Installing the new handle. Now comes the exciting part, installing the new interior car door handle. Begin by aligning the new handle in place and securing it with the mounting screws. Pay close attention to the alignment to prevent any issues with the handle's functionality once everything is back together. Once the handle is securely in place, reattach any electrical connections and test the handle to ensure it operates smoothly before reassembling the door panel. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to replace your interior car door handle confidently and efficiently, restoring convenience to your daily driving experience. Testing and final checks. After installing a new interior car door handle, ensuring its proper functionality is crucial for a successful replacement. Let's dive into how to test the door handle and the significance of a final inspection. Testing the door handle. To begin testing the newly installed door handle, gently pull and push on the handle to check for smooth operation. Ensure that the handle responds promptly when pulled to open the door and latches securely when released. Test the door from both the inside and outside to verify seamless functionality. Next, check the locking mechanism by trying to lock and unlock the door using the handle. Listen for any unusual sounds or resistance that could indicate a problem with the installation. Confirm that the door handle aligns correctly with the door frame and does not stick or wobble when in use. Final inspection. Once the testing phase is complete, conducting a thorough final inspection is essential. Inspect the exterior and interior of the door to ensure there are no visible defects or misalignments with the new handle. Test all functions of the handle, including the lock, to guarantee they are working correctly. Check the door's closure to see if it shuts securely without any gaps or rattling noises. Validate that the handle's color and finish match the interior of the car seamlessly. Perform a final test by opening and closing the door multiple times to confirm the handle's durability and reliability. By meticulously reviewing each aspect of the replaced handle through testing and a final inspection, you can rest assured that your interior door handle replacement was a success, providing functionality and aesthetics to your vehicle's interior. Replacing an interior car door handle is a straightforward job that can save you time and money. With the right tools and a bit of patience, anyone can tackle this DIY project. Don't let a broken handle ruin your day. Follow the steps, and you'll have your car looking and functioning like new. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a car owner who wants to fix things on their own, this guide has got you covered. Your car deserves the best, and a little effort goes a long way. So grab your tools and get started. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.